Muthia wa uhoro barabara ĩrĩa iretwo ya ngorofa na ikananio barabara ya igũrũ ĩrĩa nĩ barabara ya Expressway nĩ yanjĩrĩirie kũhũthĩrwo. Minista wa ũkui James Macharia agĩtongoria a Kenya kũrugũria thabarĩ ĩyo ya barabara ĩtarahutia thĩ handũ kuma Mlolongo kinyagia James Gĩcũrũ ũraihu wa kilomita 27.
I drove myself from James Gĩcũrũ all the way to where we are now, which is Jomo Kenyatta International Airport turnoff. It took me about 8 minutes only. Previously, I've driven from Jomo Kenyatta Airport to Westlands, and it took me about 2 hours before. So this is a new dawn for us Kenyans, because this road will have a very, very big impact in terms of mobility of Kenyans, visitors. So we are very proud today to come to witness the start of the trial run, which will be done for about 3 or 4 weeks.
Ni barabara ĩrĩa yakĩtwo na ciringi bilioni 70 cia kambuni ya China hatarĩ mbeca cia Kenya ihũthĩkĩte.
It was supposed to be finished next year, and so it's been completed 1 year ahead of schedule. The GDP of the city of Nairobi and our country will go up because so much money was being wasted actually on the road in terms of traffic jams.
Akenya 11,000 nĩo meyandĩkithĩtie gũkinyĩria rĩu kũhũthĩra barabara ĩyo, na arĩa marĩmĩhũthagĩra marĩrĩhagĩra o kilomita, na mbeca icio nĩcio ikũrĩha thirĩ wa mwako wayo ũgĩtanywo kũrĩhwo na mĩaka makĩria ya 25.
Hii barabara itanisaidia ku save time and also fuel. Because from here to Athi River Junction I used to take around maximum of an hour or 2 hours when there's traffic. Lakini saizi naona itani take 28 minutes, less than 30 minutes going there because there's no traffic, there's no roundabouts and it's express.
Kawaida inatumia kama 45 minutes mpaka Mlolongo. Even longer times, it depends on the condition. Lakini hii maybe 20 minutes or even less.
We want to encourage people to use the electronic to avoid the traffic jams at the barriers.
Thirikari yugĩte atĩ ĩrĩ ũnyitanĩri na kambuni ĩrĩa ĩrakaga barabara ĩyo ya Expressway ĩrahũthĩra mbeca ingĩ ciringi bilioni 9 gũtura barabara ya Mombasa, Uhuru Highway na Waiyaki Way iria irathũkangirio hĩndĩ ya mwako wa Expressway.
But also we are doing an enhancement to the old road. For example, we shall be putting a BRT, the bus rapid transit system. That is addition to what was there before. We are doing cycling, paths. We are doing pedestrian pathways, and so these are additional investments which we are doing.
We have reduced significantly issues of vandalism. It's a crime.
Barabara ĩyo ĩtanyĩtwo kũhingũrwo nĩ President Uhuru Kenyatta thĩinĩ wa ciumia nini ciũkĩte. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.